Hey, we're here today working on a project. This customer has two window sills in the front of the house that have been damaged either by a dog or a feral child with anger issues. Most of the paint's chipped off. It looks like the corners were chewed off and someone attempted to fill them in, but they don't look great. So we're gonna replace these and paint them. And then we also have, I don't know if you can see here, but we have some damage to the glazing here. This is just a vinyl glazing. So I don't have this in stock with me today, but I'm gonna order some and we'll come back a different day and replace that. So the first step is to cut around everywhere that's been caulked, which will be all the way around the windowsill itself and then the trim piece down here. Step two is to remove the trim. Remove the trim underneath the windowsill. Next step is to remove we have the finished product. Just kidding. We have it disassembled. I just vacuumed it up. I'm gonna head to Home Depot and get some 1x6 and we'll make some new windowsills. After we cut out the replacement, just do a dry fit test. Make sure it looks all right. I took a sander and just cleaned up the corners so they weren't so sharp. And I added a couple coats of paint to it. We're gonna set these in and then tack them into place. I also touched up the walls and we went ahead and put a fresh coat of paint on both the bottom trim pieces as well. Here's the finished product. Paint's still drying, but I think it's going to turn out great. And here's the old ones for comparison.